Hello guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Just food must be ang sarap. So today, I will show you how to cook or how to prepare a mashed potato. Because Nicole loves mashed potato. Just wait, I'm taking video. So I will cook mashed potato for you. And Kuya Dian also. Because Kuya Dian has not eat. Just wait. Mashed potato is very simple actually. Pero dun sa mga walang idea, here's how to cook. So first, we will boil the potatoes. So pinalambot ko lang siya siguro mga 15 minutes boiling. And then babalatan. And this time, we're going to smash like this. Show again how it will be smashed. That's why it's called mashed potato, no? You have to mash it. Like this.
How to mash like this?
Wait. We will smash like this.
Smash!
Yeah. And para magkaroon ng lasa ang ating mashed potato, lalagyan natin ng kaunting salt. No? Konti lang. Like this. Yeah. Small salt. Habang minimix. And then, para medyo masarap ng konti at medyo may touch ng butter taste, actually, I prepared to use 1 teaspoon lang naman ng olive oil. We will add small teaspoon of olive oil. Like this. Okay? So, we will continue to mash it hanggang sa siya ay maging pinong-pino. Like this. Parang naglulubak. Ano yung nilupak? Ayan, ganun lang yung pasimple. Masarap kasi itong mashed potato minsan pag ayaw mo kumain ng rice. O kaya hindi ka pwedeng kumain ng rice. Katulad ni Kadian, kaka-adjust lang ng ipin. Masakit, no? So kailangan ng malambot na pagkain. Si Nicole naman, hindi makalunok. So kailangan din ng soft food. Tulad nito. So I think it's okay now. So I will get a ladle para mas ma-refine pa siya ng konti. Ayan, oh. Kumuha ko ng mas malaking ladle para mas maano siya, mas malupak ng gusto. Si Luke. Wow. Actually, ginamit kong patatas dito is Iranian potato at Indian. Yung white, yung yellow from India. And then yung white ng Iranian potato. Kaya medyo ganitong kulay. Pero masarap yan. Diba? May konting asin, may konting butter. And then you're done. 2, 3. So, ito na ang ating finished product ng mashed potato. Kuya Charles, ikaw ang taga-tikim. Okay? Mashed potato. Okay, tamo. Show the chicken pastil. Simut sarap.
Ito yung after.
Ayan. And then, taste the mashed potato.
Pero po.
Yan ang kapartner ng mashed potato. Taste na. It me.
Leke plan.
Let it plan. So ayan, ano masasabi mo sa ating mashed potato?
Sarap.
Sarap? Oo.
Parang kumakain ng nilupak.
So yummy mashed potato. Ganyan lang po kasimple gumawa ng mashed potato. Okay, hanggang susunod na video. Bye! Kain na, maghain na.